We are going to review top 5 best marble runs. Let's get started. List number 1. GRAVITRAX Marble Run and STEM Toy by RAVENSBURGER. For children aged 8 and up, you need a marble run toy that can provide a challenge. This example from RAVENSBURGER looks cool and creates an excellent learning tool for your preteen. The GRAVITRAX is an interactive system, allowing your youngster to build their own designs and racetracks. With the set, the user gets to play with gravity, kinetics, and magnetism. Once assembled, it becomes a racetrack where your child must propel the marble ball toward the finish line using physics. The interactive design provides plenty of opportunities for two kids to play together, racing their marbles. The included instructions give your child several design ideas, but they can also go rogue and create something unique. Some parents say it's a bit complicated. List number 2. Gravity Maze Marble Run by THINKFUN. Playing with gravity is always fascinating, so if your child is 8 years or older, this marble run from THINKFUN is a good pick. It provides the ultimate challenge, putting your youngster's reasoning and visual perception skills to the test. Once fully assembled, it becomes a maze, powered by gravity. It consists of various towers, which the marble must run through until it reaches the target tower. Your youngster can set it up how they wish, but they'll have to think carefully to reach the target. Gravity Maze is a STEM toy, incorporating several components into one gadget. Along with it, your child gets 60 challenges, suitable for beginners and many gravity experts. Clear instructions are included, but there's also room for free play. List number 3. Giant Marble Run Toy by Magic Journey. With its jumbo size, this marble run toy from Magic Journey will undoubtedly make an impression. It's one of the largest marble run sets on today's list, consisting of 230 pieces. The tallest point on the toy measures 39.4 inches. The set includes 230 pieces, sporting vibrant colors and translucent tubes. Your little one can follow the featured 30 marbles as they run through the tracks down to the finish point. The toy allows for several configurations so users can develop their imagination and creativity. The construction includes slides, windmills, wheels, S-shaped slides, U-turns, ladders, and colorful funnels. Some parents said the pieces are compatible with other marble run sets. List number 4. PICASSOTILES 70-piece Marble Run. This colorful marble run set has been designed to help with brain development, learning, STEM skills, and kids' love for art and science. If you want your child to have fun, but learn something new simultaneously, this is the set for you. There are 70 magnetic pieces included that link together easily. As your child constructs their marble run, they'll be confronted with problem solving, hand-eye coordination and a chance to train their motor skills. But what's great is that it isn't too challenging, even for 3-year-olds. The pieces fit together via magnets, but also the laws of physics, gravity and imagination. The design of this marble run encourages kids to learn by hands-on playing, which helps them understand both creative thinking and science. List number 5. Marble Run Set by MAGICFLY. With over 32 marbles included, this jumbo set from MAGICFLY should be popular with your child and their friends. The toy features 3 glass marbles and 32 DIY ones, enabling your little one to use their creativity. This marble run toy is impressive. It has 127 pieces, which are all translucent, yet vibrant to look at. It's effortless to assemble, despite its size, and MAGICFLY includes a thorough manual. Because all the pieces are see-through, your little one can watch and follow the marbles as they roll down. With the set, you and your child can create 5 different marble runs. The DIY marbles are plastic and allow you to put them together to create various colors. However,